Today, the Motorhead crew try out a protective spray coating for nearly every automotive surface. And check out a jaw-dropping trailer that's part cargo trailer, part toy hauler, and part campsite. Coming up on Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com.
Motorhead Garage, the program that each week introduces you to and shows you how to install the latest in exciting and innovative products for your vehicle. Now here's your host, Dave Dobson.
Camping out here at Motorhead Garage, presented by DragonfireTools.com, and I got to tell you, this trailer from Jumping Jack Trailers doesn't need a long introduction. You look at their website and it says one trailer does it all. And Robbie, what can I do with a trailer from Jumping Jack?
You can haul your ATVs, side-by-sides, camping gear, have a comfortable camp when you're there, or use it as a high-wall utility trailer.
So it's really a 3-in-1, and of course starting at the bare basics. You got a utility trailer if you need to use it for that. How does it set up as a utility trailer?
The whole tent package will slide out of your trailer. You'll take the sides and they'll lock in a vertical position, which gives you a huge high-wall utility trailer to haul firewood, take anything to the dump, move brush, haul furniture, whatever you need.
But anybody can be just a utility trailer. So now let's talk about using a Jumping Jack trailer to haul some toys around.
Sure. When it's all folded up, it gives you a top deck to load your ATVs, your side-by-sides, camping gear, motorcycles, whatever you want to put right on top of it.
But unlike other trailers, you've got a lower deck as well. So what goes
underneath that deck? Your tent is all packaged up in a weather-tight package, ready to deploy once you get to where you're going to camp.
And we'll get to the tent here in a minute. Let's talk about actually putting the toys on. Now, how much can I hold on top of the Jumping Jack trailer?
We have a couple different sizes, depending on what size, anything from 1 ATV all the way up to 4 ATVs or any of the big side-by-sides or UTVs out there on the market.
Which is a lot different from others because you can usually put them nose to tail.
Correct.
And you're pretty limited there. So.
Yeah.
And what makes it possible to load them from either the side or the back?
Just the way the trailer's designed, if you're loading ATVs, obviously you'll load from the side. The UTVs and side-by-sides a little bit longer, just load right up from the rear of the trailer.
And the ramps, then what happens with those once I'm done? The telescope, like a
telescoping ramp, yeah. So you'll
like
just
ladder.
Collapse it down and slide it underneath your machines right on the top deck of the trailer. Store them right there, strap them down.
Now, how durable is this trailer? How much weight is it going to hold?
Very durable. Our tandem axle models will haul about 5,000 pounds up on top of them. So it doesn't matter what side-by-side or UTV you have, it will haul it.
And it's not just UTVs and ATVs. What kind of stuff do you see people hauling on the trailer from Jumping Jack?
Kayaks, canoes, camping gear, motorcycles, cars, whatever you want to put up there.
And it'll take the weight. How much does the trailer itself weigh? This is a 17-footer?
This is our 17-foot model. It weighs 2,100 pounds.
Super light.
Super lightweight. Tote behind basically any vehicle out there.
And strong at the same time.
Correct.
How do you ensure quality control at Jumping Jack?
We do everything in-house. From all of our welding, manufacturing, everything done right there in-house, so we keep a close eye on everything.
Very cool. And now let's talk about the tent here. Once you get where you're going, you take your toys off, and how does it work to take the tent out?
Top to bottom takes about 5 minutes to set up the entire tent. Really simple to do, quick and easy. No parts, pieces, no poles or anything like that to assemble. It's all right there ready to go.
And what kind of accessories then can I get with the tent once I get it set up?
There's a whole list of accessories kind of depending on how you're going to use the trailer. Anything from sink setups to wider beds, propane carriers, awnings, storage hutches, a whole list of them.
The tent, how weatherproof is this? How durable is it?
It's an awesome tent. It's all made of 13-ounce marine canvas. It's all been treated with what's called a sun forger treatment. So you're gonna stay dry, retains heat very well, and it's very durable.
It's some of the little details I've noticed, starting with the cargo trailer. You have the rail all the way around, so you can use the ramps on any side there. And the way the ramps telescope, that's a nice one too. And then you've thought of some stuff here, like with the kitchen here on the tent.
Yeah.
What are some of the details there that make that?
All of our accessories are really cool. They either have a spot to store inside of the tent as you're traveling, or there's a spot for them to strap on the outside. So different things, the water rack will store on the side, cooler rack up on the front. Once you get to camp, they've got different spots where they can attach on the trailer to serve different functions. Everything's kind of multi-function on it.
And you've even thought of a place, for the tubs, standard tub you'd see in your typical store, and you can use it as drawers.
Yeah.
So you guys thought of every detail. I know there's a lot of folks that might have a smaller vehicle, maybe a Jeep or something like that. How towable is one of the jumping jack trailers with one of those?
Extremely towable. Our smallest model weighs just over 950 pounds. The largest one we're on here only weighs 2,100 pounds. So really any small vehicle, small SUVs, Jeeps, anything like that can tow them around.
And when I say you've thought of everything, you guys have thought of everything, right down to the axles. How do those make it easier to tow behind your car?
All of our trailers are built around a torsion axle, which gives you high ground clearance and independent suspension. So whether you're high speed on a highway or off-road, they do excellent.
No matter what you're doing in the great outdoors, Jumping Jack Trailers is a must-stop. Go to jumpingjacktrailers.com. This is unbelievable. You're going to love it too. We'll be right back with more Motorhead Garage presented by Dragonfire Tools.com, so don't go anywhere.